Here at Meal Prep Sunday, we do our very best to cater to our clients' every needs. That's why this week we want to show you the tools we have in place to guarantee your results with our meals and services, and also show you the preparation of our chicken harvest dish specifically designed for Thanksgiving week. On Tuesday, our lead line cook David will talk to you more about our process.
We will first create our cranberry sauce from scratch. This sauce consists of water, cinnamon, brown sugar, fresh orange juice, and cranberries, which are boiled and stirred together to give a nice liquid texture. It is then stored until ready to be plated on Thursday. Second is preparing our produce. We begin by dicing our yams and chopping our Brussels sprouts. We then put them on a sheet pan, season them for taste, and roast them until they are cooked thoroughly. Last is our chicken breast. We first season our chicken breast, then move it onto our flat top for searing. This gives great texture to every bite. Finally, we finish today by putting it in our state-of-the-art oven that cooks our chicken thoroughly in large batches. Then cut the chicken so it is ready to be plated as well.
By paying attention to the portioning, seasoning, and storing of the ingredients for our chicken harvest bowl, we set each client up to achieve their fitness goals. This will also help us elevate you to a healthier lifestyle.
We have designed a targeted algorithm that allows us to calculate the number of macros our clients need to reach their specific goals. Once we receive this information about what our clients' goals are, we can then portion our meals to allow you to reach those goals. On Wednesday, we focus on creating our wild rice and cooking our chicken breast harvest bowl. First, we prep our wild rice, which includes salt and pepper, oil, Spanish onion, and chicken stock for taste. Then we put it in the oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes to cook. After the oven, we include the rice in our skillet process. We start by adding the Brussels sprouts on high heat and then add diced chicken. Next we add rice, seasoning, and yams. Finally, we finish with almonds, cranberries, and parsley. For our clients to reach their goals, they must get the right amount of macronutrients that will allow their body to perform at its best. Whether our clients want to reach a new physical goal, eat better food to improve their mental state, or just improve their overall wellness, getting the right amount of food with the necessary nutrients sets the body up to make this possible.
On Thursday, we begin the plating and packaging of our chicken breast harvest bowl. We start by plating the cranberry sauce, then finish it off with the chicken breast harvest skillet, properly portioning on each plate and basing it on our clients' fitness goals. After the batch is plated, we'll seal the meals using our advanced packing technology equipment, which allows us to decrease the oxygen inside the container down to 1% and slow down the oxidation process drastically. We strongly recommend the meals to be consumed within 5 to 7 days of delivery, but because of the technology ability to reduce the oxygen in the container, the meals can last up to 12 days. Our advanced algorithm allows us to calculate the macros your body will need. It is equally important that the ingredients that are used provide the macronutrients your body needs. We make sure to use a specific blend of vegetables and ingredients that give your body those important vitamins and minerals you need. A lack of these vitamins and minerals can cause things like hormonal imbalance and affect the way that your body performs overall. In addition to tailored micro and macronutrients, we also provide all the clients with a free 90-day workout program and other educational information. This workout program, when paired with our meals plan, will maximize results and allow clients to receive the full benefit of our service. Our clients are busy and do not have time to worry about whether they are eating the right meals to make them as healthy as possible. This is why we focus on 4 things for our clients. First, we always want our meals to be affordable. You should not have to break the bank just to be healthy. Second, we want our service to be as convenient as possible so that our clients do not have the stresses in life and can spend their time in the things they enjoy. Finally, we ensure our meals will be delivered to your door fresh. We use various techniques from the way we cook to how quickly we cool down the meals and how they are packaged to guarantee fresh meals for your week.